Hello vlog! Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Mommy, wear this. Clip mo lang. So, ayun. What's up vlog? We're back.
Hi vlog.
And it's Father's Day. Kami na SM today.
It's my
Kasi bibili ng... Oh my god, mahulog yung cam.
bibili na.
Bibili by... Ay! Bibili kami ng... Notebook.
Notebook.
Tapa ng SM, bibili na ng notebook. So, yun.
What are you doing?
Ba't mas malinaw talaga yan? Hi vlog! We're back.
Hi, Gorta. Hi, Gorta daw. Sabi ni Iyo, hi, Gorta. Hi, vlog. Say hi, vlog. Ambulance.
Daming tao. Sunday kasi. Dapat nag-church tayo. Happy Father's Day sa mga lahat ng father.
Father. Sa lahat ng ulirang ama. Ganoon.
At sa mga
Single dad.
single mom.
Yeah. Single mom, single dad.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Thank you.
Bless you.
So, kita nyo naman, may mic na kami. Sana, effective.
Sa halagang
Kano ba to?
800 pesos.
190.
Kasama na yung shipping fee. May shipping fee ba na offer niya?
Meron. Oh, babagsak yan. Previous videos kasi namin pala, malakas rinig yung muffler. Ingay ni Wigwig.
Yes.
Parang kailangan mo pa i-high yung volume. Tapos trinay namin sa TV. Hindi namin marinig yung boses.
Super ingay. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. We love you. Buy us cake. Ouch,
Napita kami sa SM.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Bad smell mo?
No, nagkulong yun.
Amoy milk?
Nagkulong yun. No, Daddy's car. It's hot.
Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Greet mo si Papa.
Where's Papa?
There, house.
Yeah, sa house. Yeah. Happy Father's Day, Wowo. Go to work daw sila. So, ito yung cologne ni Ayo. It's from Tiny Buds. Kami cotton candy. That way.
That way? This way? Oo, mukhang madaming tao.
Daddy's car. There's Daddy's car. Yeah, there's Daddy's car.
car?
Same daddy's car.
Same car? Nani?
Same daddy's car daw.
Play.
Ayun na.
We're here na.
We're here na. We're here na.
We're here na.
Ow! We're going to SM na.
Ay, mag-aas mo
No. Where's the aircon? No. What are you singing? Chocolate?
Yeah.
You want chocolate?
Yeah.
Hindi naman pwede chocolate sa'yo.
Huh?
You have allergy sa chocolate.
Ugly?
Yeah,
No, it's okay.
Mama, I want to go out.
Nanny will buy us cake.
No.
Parang balik na.
I want to.
Daddy will buy cake.
Yeah. I said, why you?
Yeah, we will buy mo.
Wait, look.
Kuya Bong. Kuya Bong.
Toyota.
Honda. Ah, Nissan.
Say hi, Papa.
Hey. Hey, Mama.
One more. Hi, Papa.
Hi.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Tita.
Hi, Ina.
Hi, Lala.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Wowo.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, hi.
Lexi.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Roswell.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Jella.
Hi,
Saan webs ni Mami?
Happy Father's Day, Tito Roswell. Haba, no? Haba, eh.
No, I got me.
Oh?
Oh.
Baka dahil sa ilaw.
Yeah.
Say bye, vlog.
Bye,
Later na ulit.
yeah, wala yan.
Hindi naman itong vlogger na.
No,
Daddy will put subtitles.
Not sure. Ayo. Show your new slipper. Wow. Want to go to the playground? Later. We'll eat first. You want to buy ice cream? Okay. Where's our car?
Yeah, I heard Mommy in there.
There.
Wow.
So, mag-transfer kami sa Soledad. Sa ano ba? Kasi dito sa Soledad. Wala kami makainan, ang daming tao. Rain and Harry. Alam ko ito yung mga ginagamit before noon ito sikat na ano noon Lunar Black. Di ko sure pero parang ganito yung ano niya eh.
Ano ba?
Yung lalagyan niya. So yun. For weekly.
Yung purpose natin sa National Books.
Dahil kasi wala na akong notebook. Kasi syempre sa line of work ko, kailangan ko ng notebook. So yan. Limelight. Since college, Limelight na yung bibili ko. Where are you? Where's mommy? What are you doing? We're here at Yellow Cab.
Hey, we are in my work.
Sit down properly. Hi vlog. Welcome to my guys. Ayo. What's this? Hey, where are you going?
I look, mommy.
What?
Mommy, yeah.
To mommy?
Mommy, yeah. Hey, mommy, yeah. Mommy, mommy. Mommy. I'm doing.
Ano nga tayo? Ano yun? Oo. Ay, di, oo, hindi pala Chicken Alfredo. Ang pala yung Charlie Chan. Ha? Meron sila ah. What happened? What?
Wait, alive.
What?
Move.
What?
Wait, alive. No, I never knew.
May keso ata no?
Swatch mo.
Later.
Hey, no,
Later, Tambay with the Ninong. Seattle's best. Caltex man plays and flex.
Gago. Kasi green yung ano eh, uniform. Kaya lahat tayo bibili lakas na green. Siyempre, goal mo maging mayaman. So, yun yung uniform natin. Lahat ng executive, lakas pag-atin ng meeting.
Oh, ba't hindi?
Oo, gago. Ganun kalupit ang vision ko sa kumpanya.
Nakalakos lahat.